Hello and welcome to PartsBay.ca. We're going to have a very quick look at how to search and order Sears Craftsman parts using PartsBay.ca. So to start off with, we will need a part number, and you could find your part number on your owner's manual, or you could take a look at the part itself and see if there's a number marked on it. So once you have a part number, and this is how a typical number looks like, you go to PartsBay.ca. On the brand, you would select the original manufacturer. So in this case, it is Husqvarna AYP. So make sure that you have selected Husqvarna AYP as your brand. You would skip the model number and go straight to part number and start entering the numbers you have found. So 405 and 43. So it's important to have your part numbers to be able to search and order parts. Okay. Once you enter a few digits, it populates searches for that part number. In this case, we're looking for this one. You click search, and here you go. It shows you it's a belt with the price, and you could easily add to cart. If you have more shopping to do, you need other parts that you have part numbers for your Sears, you continue shopping. You repeat the process by going back to new. Again, make sure Husqvarna AYP selected. Enter another part number. Okay, we're looking for a blade. And you would select that as well. And if you're done selecting all the parts you need, you could simply view cart and check out. Or you have your shopping cart here as well with all the parts you've entered. So you can go to the checkout window, review your order, select your shipping method, enter your email address, and follow the checkout queue. So make sure you have your part number, select Husqvarna AYP as the brand, follow through the steps of adding your parts to cart, and check out. If you have further questions, you can email us or contact our team at 1-800-610-5635. Thank you very much.